The Nikon Z8 is a high-performance mirrorless camera that combines advanced features with a compact design, making it a versatile choice for both photographers and videographers. Design and build. The Z8 inherits many features from Nikon's flagship Z9 but in a more compact form factor. This design choice offers a balance between portability and functionality, catering to professionals who require a robust yet manageable camera body. Image quality. Equipped with a 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, the Z8 delivers exceptional image quality with impressive resolution and dynamic range. This sensor facilitates high-speed readout, contributing to the camera's rapid performance. Autofocus system. The autofocus system in the Z8 is both fast and reliable, effectively tracking various subjects, including people, animals, and vehicles. Continuous shooting. The camera supports continuous shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second in RAW format, making it suitable for capturing fast-paced action without compromising image quality. Video capabilities. Videographers will appreciate the Z8's ability to record 8K video at up to 60p, providing high-resolution footage with rich detail. Battery life. While the Z8 offers a range of advanced features, its battery life is moderate, providing approximately 340 shots per charge. Overall, the Nikon Z8 stands out as a powerful and versatile mirrorless camera, delivering high-resolution images, advanced autofocus. Thank you so much.